Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Kyvol robot vacuum. This one is a Cybo Vac. It comes in a midnight blue color, which I love, love, love. It looks so gorgeous. I don't know if a vacuum can, but this one does. So we're going to go ahead and take everything out of the box and see what all is included in this box. So as you open up the box right away, you're going to see the user manual, then the quick start guides, the guide to set up the app, the cleaning cloths for the mop, the water tank, the vacuum, charging base, cleaning brushes, the charger itself, the HEPA filter, a remote control, the magnetic boundary strip and adhesive strips, and then the batteries themselves. So go ahead and take off these peelies. They're there to protect the bumper from getting pushed and when it's in transit to protect the vacuum. Now you can install the side brush. There's two, you only need to put on one. The other one is for later use for replacement. It also comes with a cleaning brush that has some crevices that you can use to easily remove any hair or debris that's stuck on the roller brush. The roller brush, as you saw, is also very easy to remove. You just press on these tabs, take that out, and then you can take the roller brush out. Here's how you remove the tank for the vacuum. It has a HEPA filter already in it, but it does come with an extra one for later use. The same tank is where you would put the mopping tank as well with the water. So there are two tanks that you get, one for vacuuming and one for mopping. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the batteries in the remote, so that's ready to be used as well. The first time we are gonna use the vacuum, we're gonna charge it fully before we use it, just to make sure that it has enough battery. So this is the mopping attachment. This is the water tank. It has a mopping cloth. It comes with one extra, so you can wash them and then use the other one. So pull off this tab and that's where the water will go. And once you have put in the water, then you just put it on the vacuum and it's good to go. Now beware when you're using the mopping attachment that it should not go on the carpet because it will wet the carpet as well and clean it, but you don't want that. So put the magnetic strip around the carpet to make sure that when you're using the mopping function, the vacuum does not go on the carpet. So those were all the user manuals, the charging base, the charger itself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the app on the phone by just scanning the QR code that is on the booklet and downloading it from my app store. I have an iPhone, so I'm going to the App Store to download it from there. Once I have it downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and set it up with an account and connecting the device itself. So enter your country, then enter your email address or phone number to make an account. Set your password. It's going to send you a code, then you're going to enter the code into the verification box and then create an account. Now we're going to go ahead and add a device. This is the E31. So you can see that the indicator light is flashing. It's going to connect with it. We are going to connect to the Wi-Fi as well. Now just give it a few seconds to connect to the Wi-Fi. You can see the progress bar right there. All right, it's connected. Now you can use this as a remote control as well to set schedules, to see where the vacuum is cleaned, or you can use the remote control that actually comes with the vacuum itself. So the remote itself has a pause button, the play button, the different modes that you can use it in, a scheduling button. If you wanted to reroute it manually, you can use that using the remote as well. It shows you the time. You can also do the same with the mobile app if your remote control is not near you, but you have your phone, so you can just do that. Now, as the vacuum started cleaning the house for the first time, you can see that it's mapping the area that is open. And the first time is going to bump into an obstacle, but the next time it knows that there's something there. So as it gets closer to that spot, it's going to stop. Now, the transition from the carpet to the hardwood floor was very smooth. You can see even going towards the stairs, it recognizes that there's nothing there, so it stopped and did not actually fall down the stairs. Now here it is going back to the base as well. All in all, very powerful. I am so pleased with the cleaning that this does, and it has made my life so easy.